How to reset Control Center on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of Control Center. Now from here you can easily make changes to your Control Center. Over here you're gonna find two sections, included controls and more controls. From more controls you can easily add anything to the included controls that will appear in your Control Center. So I'm gonna add calculator, likewise hearing. Now I can open a control center. These options will appear in your control center. Likewise, in order to remove anything from the control center, all you have to do is click on this red icon, click on remove. I have just removed the notes. So this way you can easily customize your control center. In the case you want the default control center, what you have to do is head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, click on reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. After resetting your phone, you will find the default control center. So this way you can easily reset control center on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.